All right, the growth of presidential power. Now, there is no doubt that out of the three branches, at least for the origin stories, about which one has grown the most, it's the president, okay, by far and away. Now, when you take a look at what the framers had in mind for the president, Federalist number 70, please understand that Hamilton is arguing on behalf of a single executive with competent powers, enough power to make change, and more importantly, a good salary and an upstanding position to attract the best and brightest minds as well. But more importantly, he's talking about energy too. That an executive branch, a person that's sitting there, i.e., the president, they can get things done in a crisis. So as well. So when you see the power of the presidency increase, it's usually in a crisis. Okay, with this coronavirus crisis as well, and we kind of see examples of that. What's been happening where the federal government is able to step in and tell average everyday businesses like Ford or other businesses around the United States to stop what you're doing now and start producing like respirators or PPE equipment or so on as well. And we talked about before we left is when the president declares a national emergency, they're sided with so many more powers. And the reason for that is because it's just one person can control and get us through this crisis as quickly or as efficiently as we can. And that's another part about Federalist number 70. They argue on behalf of just one, not 15. Because if something does go wrong, you can hold that one person accountable as well. Now, in the Constitution, there's other things that constrain the presidency, like the 22nd Amendment, which only allows a president to serve 2 terms. So these people are not going to be there forever. All right, they will be constrained by the Constitution. You will not serve past 2 years. All right.